Okay, there's another question coming from Nika, and I'll just, couple them together. Were there particular scenes that pushed you out of your comfort zones? How did you handle them?
Dami.
Meron bang hindi?
Lahat po.
Meron bang hindi? You wanna start? Yeah?
Dami. Direct. Dami. Pero yung pinaka-tumatak sa akin was, wala ba akong spoil? Hindi naman. Yung confro siguro.
Confrontational.
Yun talaga. Kasi ang dami kong kailangan hugutin. And yun nga, sabi ko ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan.
How about you, Donsky?
Ang dami ko yung Robs. Ang sobrang na-appreciate kasi namin ni Belle is si Direk Cathy, kakampi namin siya dito. And she's very open with us. She's very comfortable telling us what we need to hear. And, sobrang na-appreciate namin yun kasi hindi namin magagawa yung eksena kung hindi namin siya kakampi. Parang kung nakikita namin na kailangan natin lang tapusin to kasi syempre, time constraints or whatever the reason may be. But, it felt like a safe place and I think that's why we're able to just be who we need to be.
To add to that, she really knows how to paano ka pigain. She knows what buttons to press para ilabas yung totoong emosyon.
So she's an acclaimed director.
Yung reaction ni Direk ko, parang kailangan po natin mag-pan.
Happy birthday, Direk.
Happy
Pero,
birthday, Direk.
Hindi, pinapa lahat ng mga magagandang salita. Pero syempre, we give that to the acclaimed director. Everyone wants to work or to be part of Direk Cathy Garcia sa Paras cast, diba? One way or another. Joras, you would like to add something?
Kasi nabanggit nga kanina na kapag si Direk talaga nagpa-wig na,
Oh.
ibang dito ibang level yung wig.
Anong wig?
Pati yung mga cameraman namin naka-wig na lahat dito.
Binigay na lahat.
Dito na talaga lahat. Dapat nga may in-endorso na tayong bibenta ng wig.
Peluka.
Nandun na lahat ng klase na mapapanood nyo rito.
Abangan namin
May
yan.
multiverse ng wig.
Tayo sa peluka. Pero magiging sequel nito. Salamat, Josh. Okay, one last question coming from Nika for Donnie and Beldin. As this project marks a new chapter for the both of you, what important lessons are you taking with you moving forward? Besides the wigs.
Matapang tayo. And then, siguro this project really made me required so much patience in me. Ayun siya. Kasi sobrang na-challenge nga ako dito. Sabi ko, oh my God, paano ba to? Pero, yun nga, by the end of the day, put your trust in the rec, the creatives, lahat sila dito. We're all in this as one. And we're here together to help one another. Ayun. So, it required so much patience sa sarili ko and extend more grace to myself.
Parang you became a different being after, not just an actress, but overall a human being in this film. Same with Donnie?
Yeah, I would agree. Give yourself more slack, Hindi madali yung ginagawa naming pelikula. But the fact that we get to do it with each other, I think makes it so much more worthy of doing this craft and we're so passionate because we know that everyone wants what's best for it. So I think that's the biggest lesson is as long as you do things together, no matter where you are, no matter what your mindset is, basta nandun kayo, align kayo, di ba? Parang ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam because you know that may kakampi kayo.
And we have seen so much growth, not just in the teaser, not just in the trailer, but even now, coming from you guys, you exude growth, diba? Not just the haircut, not just the peluka or the wigs, but really, as actors, actresses, and producers in this film. Great job. Okay, now we move on to question for Direk Cathy and Miss Van. Direk Cathy is okay. She's just fixing something. Baka yung trailer yata kinausap ka.
Yung wig po.
Okay, Miss Van, how does Tayo sa Wakas differ from Donnie and Belle's previous projects?
Yung pelikula to kasi, I think, shows yun nga, as they were saying, something more complex and mas mature yung roles the same time also very, very grounded yung pelikula. Actually, yung kwento ng pelikula to has been in existence even before their love team existed. So, mahaba rin yung journey nung kwento na to. And nung naisip talaga ng management na gagawa sila ng pelikula, naisip na pwedeng ito, parang naisip namin, oh nga no, mahaba na rin pala yung history ni Donnie at ni Belle as a couple. So, pwede na talaga gawin tong pelikula to. So, I think they would be the best persons to ask how different this role is from your other roles. All I know is that kami nila direct, we're crafting characters that are very relatable and human, no? So yun, I think sila yung mas makakasagot niya, Robbie, paano siya different.
You want to answer the question, Donnie and Belle?
Yeah, just the complexity of the characters. Hindi siya black and white eh. But we have a lot of flawed characteristics. Sinasabi nila ngayon, red flag. Pero kasi you have to understand also where each character is coming from, you know, and what their background is. So yun, siguro yung experiences ng isa't isa. And just being together for so long, I think that does something to you as an individual and as, you know, a couple. And as people who go through life together, but are finding out if it's meant to go through together or finding yourself first in that process.
Bigat ng mga themes natin.
Mhm.
Exciting movie, Belle.
Daming layers ng character namin. Talagang yun nga, it's very real, very human. And iba talaga siya, ibang-iba siya. Panoorin niyo po.
Before we get to Direct Kathy, I just want to ask Miss Van, kasi you mentioned a while ago, ikaw yung nakasama nila sa una, and for this project, di ba, sa wakas, tayo sa wakas, probably their last project for now, okay? We're saying that, for now. What do you think makes this big project a defining or transitional project for them?
Okay. Kasi nga, yung tinatackle talaga na issue dito, pag napanood nyo yung pelikula, pag nakita nyo nagdi-discuss, nag-aaway yung characters nila, hindi mo sasabihin isang tao lang yung tama, isang side lang yung tama. Makikita mo pareho silang may points. Katulad kanina sinasabi ni Donnie about being a red flag. If you watch it and you look deeper into the characters, you're gonna realize maybe the behavior was red flag behavior in Gen Z terms, but in truth, that was a person hurting. Diba? And kailangan mo intindihin bakit siya nasaktan at bakit ganun siya mag-behave, diba? At bakit kailangan ganitong klaseng tao yung magmamahal sa kanya. Pero diba, minsan, hindi mo napapansin sa haba na ng relationship nyo, sa haba na ng pagsasama nyo, diba? There are some things that, because you love the person, you accommodate. To the point that when you accommodate it, there are parts of yourself that you lose and parts of yourself that you change to fit that dynamic. The question is, hanggang kailan magiging okay yun? What if magbago ka? Kasi pag nagmahal ka, babaguhin ka talaga ng pagmamahal nyo. Diba? So, hanggang kailan magiging okay yun? So, kaya ang magiging tanong, pag tumakbo yung pelikula, is worth it pa ba na save itong relationship na to? Worth it pa ba na magsama kayo? O magbe-break up kayo, di ba? Kung magbe-break up kayo, di ba? Bakit? At saan patungo yung relationship nyo? Or is it a breakup na we're breaking this version of the relationship so we can get to a better version of the relationship? So marami siyang tinatanong na tanong sa pelikula. And yun nga, that's why we were saying it's a very complex movie at tama si Direk, madamot yung trailer kasi mas marami pa kayong mapapanood.
You know, because of what you said, now we're having those ideas na to complement the trailer na nakita namin. Pero, you know guys, kapamilya, it's something very relatable to everyone kasi na-experience natin lahat yan. Na-experience natin magmahal at minahal. At you know, you would ask those questions hanggang saan, hanggang kailan, di ba? Kaya nga perfect din pala yung OST na kinanta ni JK doon sa trailer. Oh, it makes sense. Tayo sa wakas. Okay. I get it now. Okay, for Direk, Kathy, were there specific qualities or layers that you want to highlight in Donnie and Belle that audiences haven't seen before? Or marami po kaming makikita ng ganun sa pelikula?
Hirap naman ang tanong.
Nag-week po ba yung yung mga cameraman?
Not just once, but twice,
Oh,
but
no.
thrice.
Okay.
Ito naman kasi pauso eh.
Ewan ko dito sa...
Was it intentional, Direk, yung if ever?
The wigs?
No. Yung pag-highlight ng yung mga ibang aspects na hindi pa nakita.
No. I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't make scenes, particular scenes just to highlight the galing of an actor. No, I don't do that. All the scenes that are highlighted are maybe because it's needed in the story. Just like in our lives, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang highlights. No, your highlights might be different from the highlights of another person. And with Cisco and Cheska, they have their own highlights. Not because I want them to look good on the screen or to appear as very good actors. Hindi yun eh. When I sat down with them, I remembered. Remember? Before we started the film, I sat down with them. I never said I would make them great actors. I asked them, let's tell a good story. We work hard for this, for your characters, para maisabuhay natin ang kwento ni Cisco at ni Cheska, para sa tamang kwento gusto natin ibahagi sa mga tao. So whether mananalo ka ng award dito o hindi, that's not my intention. My real intention is pakita yung totoong nararamdaman ng mga taong katulad ni Cisco at ni Cheska. That's how we work. That's how I work.
And that, that's a mark of a great storyteller. You're not just a director, you're a great storyteller, Direk. We're just talking about you, kami ni Sir Epi.
Ganon.
Yes, pero good things. Good things. Di ba? On how you command the area, kung paano kung paano niyo ginagawa yung pagdidirect sa mga actors. You say something to one actor, then sa kabila. Can you elaborate on that, sir?
Actually, no, the process there, her process. I was actually telling Dawn and Belle, diba, on the side, diba? I like Direk Cathy's process kasi, even if you got the scene already, ako, feeling ko sometimes nakuha na namin yung scene eh. Nakikita ko si Direk, sabay. Diba? Tama ba, Direk?
May hinahanap pang iba si Direk.
Oo eh. Tapos, ako naman, hinahanap din. Okay na, Direk ka. Hindi. Ito. Tapos may adjust siya whether nakatikwas na buhok na siya ang mismong ganyan. Or whether makeup na makapal na gaganyanin. Or whether it's in sa pag-arte namin. Or sa tono, or sa level namin. Basta may gagalawin siya, may tweaks siya sa may papadagdag sa'yo ng konting lines. And when you do the next take, it works. You see how it works. I'm like, I like the process. I mean, di ba? Huwag ka makontento sa isa. Nipigan yung scene until alam niya na, okay, ito na yung nakuha ko yung pinakamaganda. Or at least may mga pagpipilian ako sa mga nakuha ko. And I like the process. Yun ang sasabi ko. That's a trait of a really good storyteller.
That's her magic, di ba?
Saka, kasi idadagdag ko lang, nag-i-edit na siya nun sa isip niya eh. Pinagsasama-sama na niya.
Ano mukha ko?
Ha? Iba pala yun. Hindi, pero ang maganda rin kasi dito, Rob, marami rin kasing director eh. Ito si FP, director. Ito si Direk Cathy, syempre. Sina Direk Jun Lana, Direk May. Hindi pala, sorry.
Isa na yan! Si Mia at saka si Never yan.
Ayun nga, kumbaga ang ganda ng collaboration dito sa
Ginawa mong swaray ng mga direktor dito.
Hindi, gusto ko lang matawa lang ito mga nasa araw para masaya.
Oo.
Hindi, but yun si Direk Cathy kasi na talagang hindi siya hanggat hindi talaga perfect.
Yeah.
Yung perfect
She does not settle.
Ikaw, ikaw siya, di ba? De, pero, yun yung sinasabi ni Effie. Kung paano mag-direct si Direk Cathy, hindi siya yung, pwede na yan? Although minsan sinasabi.
Okay na yan?
Sinasabi.
Ayoko na.
Pero, alam natin.
wala.
Tinataas natin si Direk
Oo.
Cathy.
Pero alam natin, may nakuha na siya na
Oo.
gusto niya.
Okay.
Kasi mga take 25 na.
Marami na. Yun nga eh, yun ang magic talaga ni Direk Cathy. May hinahanap siya na hindi natin minsan nakikita. Pero Direk, circling back, before we ask Sir Evie, no? Let's make it simple, the question. Tayo sa wakas, ano ang kwento nito?
I've been thinking about that. In fact, prior to this, nag-usap-usap, paano ikwento, I realized, ang daming angulo mo pwedeng tingnan ng pelikula to. In fact, we can say that it's a trip. It's a trip of two people para alamin kung talaga bang sila ay dapat matapos na or magpatuloy pa. I can say it's about someone who wants to reach a dream. Pero anong gagawin mo kung ang kalaban mo sa pag-abot ng pangarap na yun ay ang kaunahan mo? There are many things. This story is just, ano yan eh, parang pagkain lang yan. Iba-iba tayo ng pagtingin, iba-iba tayo ng take. And to me, simply put, it's a journey, no? Of two people who loved, got hurt, and eventually found themselves and found love again. Just like how I envisioned all of my films. That you come out of the cinemas wanting to love and loving life again. So no matter how it started, no matter how pangit the journey was, at the end of the day, we always choose love.
That's great. That's great. And we shall love not just the film, but to have that feeling of loving again and again and again. Okay, thank you so much, Direk Cathy.